Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Today in shop I have my wife's 2006 Honda Ridgeline and I wanted to start the regular maintenance, which means engine oil, transmission fluid, engine filter, cabin filter and maybe some other stuff. Unfortunately, I immediately discovered a problem. This is the work I did film for you approximately 3 years ago and approximately 30,000 miles ago. My wife drives this vehicle only on the pavement. She's never off-roading. This vehicle is not being driven hard. That's what I'm trying to say. We keep maintaining it correctly, so I know there wasn't any abuse. And look at this result. 3 years ago, I filmed for you video how to fix broken outer CV boot. Why I was fixing it and not replacing entire CV shaft as we normally do? Well, I try to keep this Honda as OEM as possible. I believe Honda parts are super high quality, and therefore, just because there was a ripped boot, I didn't want to get rid of the high quality CV axle and put some cheap aftermarket one. Well, why didn't buy the replacement Honda? I believe I checked the prices and it was like 3 or 4 times more expensive than aftermarket entire CV axle. I am very organized person, and the kit I have used and I showed to you in that video is still in my possession. I had it stored upstairs because there was the other part. This is the inner CV boot, which was part of the kit. And I hate to say that. I hate to do these videos. But this is my warning to you, or learning experience you can learn from mine. I don't think it's acceptable that we will do all the work of rebuilding that one side of that CV axle, and it wasn't just a few minutes. It really took time to put it all together, and it will fail on you only after three years and approximately 30,000 miles. It's very sad. As I said, I don't like to make these videos. These are actually, I saved that, these are the Honda CV boot, the one which failed after 3 years ago. It was 2018. So the vehicle was driving 12 years with original CV boots. At that time it was 180,000 miles. You see the difference? And this new one, which felt like a great quality, I was happy to show it to you in that video. The material of the boot feels really good. I thought this will last. But I'm here to report to you, unless quick fix or the vehicle which you know you will sell soon, unless you are heading for that, I will personally never deal with this product again. This is absolutely fail in my opinion. I don't like to make these videos. I'd rather give you some great news, but I wanted to let you know. You will decide for yourself what will be your way to deal with fails like this. Today I will call the dealer again because I will hope I can afford OEM part, but if it's still the same price, if it will cost 3 times or 4 times more than the aftermarket entire axle, unfortunately I will probably go with the aftermarket. This Ridgeline has super high miles, We don't know how long we will keep her, but we actually, just to let you know, we think it's the best and most reliable vehicle we ever owned. So at least some good news in this video. Thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya.